I am going to show you this word problem strategy, and I will tell you that it's usually one of the last ones that I use. Sometimes you have to use it, but then I always double check because this is a hard one for me. This one is called working backwards. And just like division and subtraction are kind of backwards operations, this one for me, working backwards, does not come as easily. But I'm going to model it for you. I'm going to show you because maybe this will be one that does work out well for you. Okay, I want to show you this. It took Liam 80 minutes to complete a jigsaw puzzle. He finished at 2:40. So what time did he start? Okay, we've got our end time, but we're actually looking for our start time. And I know that I'm going to keep on taking off increments of time, and I'm not going to easily be able to do 80 minutes. I'm just not, because I can't work backwards that easily. But 80 does break down into a number that I count by very well. You guys can see me writing it right here, right? Tens. So instead of 80 minutes, I'm not going to worry about 80 minutes right now. I'm just going to worry about a bunch of 10-minute intervals. And let me see how many of those I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there we go. 8. So let me check it for sure and make sure 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so I need to take these off. So 2 hours and 40 minutes. If I'm going to take away 10 minutes from that, that takes me to 2:30. That's not going to be my start time. Okay, I've got to do 10 more minutes. See how I can do this little chunks by chunks? So this time, my 30 is going to go to a 20. Got rid of that one. Notice how I'm crossing them out so I don't get confused. 20 minus 10 more. Yep, see, I am pretty good at counting by my tens. 30, 20, 10. Now I've got 10 more. Nothing, right? It's right at 2 o'clock. Boys and girls, this is the danger hour of time. We are counting backwards. And now, really, what you need to do is you need to think of the actual clock. And when you're thinking of the clock, and you've got your 12, and you've got your 6, and you've got your 3, and you've got your 9, so you've got that over there. We count by fives, right? So let's go ahead and let's look at when we're sitting right on the hour at 2 o'clock. If we went backwards, 5, 10 minutes. Okay, when we're sitting at the 10, how many minutes is that? Well, let's count the clockwise, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so that's 50 minutes. Now here's the danger zone. Is the hour still going to be 2? No, we're going backwards. What's before 2? 1. Now, can we take 10 off of 150? Of course we can. 50 goes to 40. 40 goes to 30. Are we done yet? No. 30 goes to 20. Now, this is what I told you. I stink at working backwards. I just don't trust my brain. So I'm going to say, okay, let me make sure that I've got it. From 120, I'm going to go 30, 40, 50, 2 o'clock, that's 40 minutes, to 10, to 20, to 30, to 40, that's another 40 minutes, 40 plus 40, 80 minutes. All right, what time did he start? He started at 1:20 p.m. That's how you work back.